Now, this illustration shows electrical equipment inside a room, and the door is locked. The overcurrent devices are behind a locked door, but accessible only to qualified persons. So it would be a key, punch pad, a swipe card with a password. Now, if that is provided, then we are complying with the overcurrent devices being behind a locked door in accordance with 240.24 B1 and B2. So that's what this figure 9-38 is illustrating, is that the panel board or switchgear or whatever is behind a locked door in some manner, and only qualified people have access to unlock that door and gain access into those overcurrent devices behind the locked door.